Stoney Acres Farm is a third-generation family farm. We produce mainly organic vegetables. People ask me, oh, what's your most important crop? And I say, it's diversity. I'm a diversified, organic family farm. My business has three ways that I make my money. First is community-supported agriculture. People subscribe to my farm like you'd subscribe to a magazine. Instead of getting a magazine, you get a box of fresh, seasonal, organic produce delivered to your neighborhood. We also sell at the Wausau Farmers Market. I've been doing that for 19 years. And the biggest part of my business, which has become the biggest part in the last 10 years, is pizza on the farm. People come out and enjoy wood-fired brick oven pizza made with everything on the farm. So I'd say our bill in 2012 when Pizza on the Farm started was about $300. We wanted to be solar, and that was the plan for the next year. And so that was our capital investment, was solar for 2013. It went down to usually a base charge of like $40 or $50. But as Pizza Night grew, which it did rapidly, all our electrical capacity expanded. My bill was about $800 a month in August of 2023 before I invested in the next solar system. Next month I noticed it drop in half immediately. I am now paying between $100 and $400. In 2013 when we installed the system, one of the reasons we went with Northland Renewable Energy is because they had a person dedicated to finding any money that was out there for solar, and it's mostly state and federal. And the REAP grant is the big one. The REAP grant is from the United States Department of Agriculture, and it's a program they have for renewable energy projects that people are doing. So going back into my updated installation in 2023, I knew about the REAP grant. The REAP grant ended up doing about 40% of my project. I'm gonna have this solar project paid off just on the displacement from my energy bill in 5 or 6 years. This investment is giving me a return that I can put back into my farm, improve my farm, and make it look and feel the way I want to going forward in the future. We need help making investments, but when you have a grant stepping in, it's a good enticement, it's good incentive for pushing forward with something that can expand your capacity.